Collisions with animals, whether wild or domesticated, are becoming a serious global road safety issue. Human expansion into natural habitats and the practice of free-range grazing in many areas have significantly increased the frequency of these accidents. Understanding each species' behavior and implementing preventive measures are key to mitigating the risks. Buckle up and join us as we explore animal-vehicle collision moments throughout this video. Wild animals exhibit specific behaviors that make them a road hazard, much like this coyote. These animals are ranging widely and are often drawn to easy food sources like roadkill or trash. While a direct collision might not be severe, a driver's evasive maneuver to avoid a coyote can lead to much more dangerous accidents.
Oh my god! Oh!
What do you think about situations where cars hit dogs like this? Leave a comment below to discuss. Deer. Deer are most active at dusk when low light reduces driver visibility. They actively forage in areas near roads due to easily accessible vegetation. Mating season makes bucks less cautious, causing them to travel further and cross busy roads.